Now that you have the single unit copied and bound into the family unit file, you are ready to make changes to the individual elements to customize the family unit. First, you remove the doors and opening that are not required. The two rooms on the right side will be bedrooms. Therefore, you add a couple doors. When you try to place the first door, you may not be able to select a point in line with the existing opening. You can, however, quickly place the door and then align the opening with it using the Align tool. You can also lock the alignment of the two elements so that if one of them is moved, the other moves along with it. This type of constraint is available with many of the Revit elements and is a convenient way to make sure the elements in a project are not accidentally shifted or moved out of place. Next, you move the windows into the desired locations. The bottom left room will be a bathroom and a hallway. You add an interior partition wall to separate the two areas, and then add a door for access to the bathroom area. The final modification to the existing elements is to remove the awning portion of the roofs along the back of the family unit. To do so, you select each roof element and modify the overhang value. To support the awnings along the front of the unit, columns need to be added to the model. The column family type must be loaded into the project prior to adding the columns. By default, structural columns are added below the cut plane. Because of this, when you are placing the columns, you cannot see their outlines in the Level 1 view to accurately place them. Instead, you place them in the 3D view by approximating the location. Once the columns are added, you set the correct height setting using the Properties palette. Then, you open the Level 2 view where you can see the roof outline and use the Align tool to reposition them. Now you are ready to add interior components to your model.